Production planner reviews manufacturing object pages. Choose search. In the search field, enter FG126 and press enter. System displays a list of objects that use the selected material. Select an object to limit the results list to that object type. Select production order. Several options for customizing the results display are available. Choose sort. Sort your preferred sort order. Sort by filters, descending, and the best match on top have been selected for you. Choose go. The sorted results display, you can explore the other available filtering options from the screen. You have successfully reviewed a manufacturing object page. It is possible to perform this function using all roles featured in this session.